So, Mal Chandler,
Yes.
here we are, Techtel booth, ABE. What have you got for us?
Well, we've got a few new products to talk about and show the market at ABE. One of the newest products that we've got was released at NAB, so it's only about 2 or 3 months out there. It's from Technologies, and this is basically a ENG kit for news gathering organisations that want to take a small portable system out into the field and stream back video live over a 3G network. It's a little bit different to conventional 3G streaming technology because, unlike a lot of our competitors, we use a higher power modem. Our competitors are all using commercially or domestically available 3G modems that you can use in very close proximity to the human body. These modems run at a higher power. You need to be within about 20 centimetres of the antennas when the system's operational. And that added power provides more bandwidth, better signal back to the base station, and of course better picture quality. So we can get signals out of places that our competitors can't with this solution. So that's a nice little flexible solution, real compact, real portable, and a lot of people will buy maybe 5 of these transmitters and just have one receiver in their news studio, and you just choose at the receive site who you want to be the live TX site. So it's pretty easy to manage the journalists. It's a one-button operation as well. It's designed for people that don't know anything about transmission or
and don't need to.
And don't need to.
Yeah.
That's right.
All right.
Look, we're showing off just an example of some of the glue products here that we've got. This is the Lynx Yellow Brick from Lynx Technik out of Germany. So it's a German-made, this is just their SPG, but they make these things at a really attractive price position, and we think the fact that it's made in Germany suggests we've got really good quality, and it's been independently tested by Fairlight, an Australian manufacturer of audio consoles, and they're actually recommending it for use with their consoles. So that's a really cool little product, and we're happy to do lots of business with.
And we've got a few hats here left over from the.
We do. We have a few hats. That's right. This is a hat that's appropriate for gardening, fishing, or anything you care, really. So, did you have a hat? Maybe take a spare hat.
Do you have one in terry toweling?
Next year, actually, we'll go for terry toweling. It's hard enough just picking the colour.
I know. Beige.
Beige. So we're showing a few of our TV Logic monitors. Yeah, we've got 3 of them on display here at the moment. 2 of the 24s that we've got, we're demonstrating the Grade 1 monitor from TV Logic. It has an LED backlight, so the contrast ratio is much better than the standard CFL backlight displays. And we've actually had some good successes with this monitor with the colour grading post-production houses. People like Digital Pictures and Deluxe have each purchased that particular monitor. So if you can satisfy those guys, then you're doing well, I think. This example is more of a standard monitor that you'd find around the traps, so CFL backlit, but it has the quad display built in, so you just feed it 4 SDI signals and it does the quad for you, and there's a multitude of different modes and arrangements that you can set up as well. A couple of examples of the Pixelmetrics products are here on display. We've got there, and Pixelmetrics, for those that don't know anything about it, is for transport stream monitoring, be it on IP networks, DVB-T networks, cable networks. So it's all about monitoring real-time transport streams and making sure you're still on air. But we've got an example here in the IP space, so the IP3, and the little mini there is for digital terrestrial networks. That's Razor Rahim. You can speak to him if you want.
He's a network genius, I
He's a network genius, a guru, some might say.
Yeah.
So the little guy on the top is their DV Station Mini, and that's for DVB-T networks. So it's the sort of thing you pop out in a transmitter, it receives the RF signal coming out of the free-to-air waves and demodulates it, gives you that transport stream, TR101, 290 kind of monitoring. So it tells you if there's errors, tells you if you're on air.
Okay. And here we've got a huge screen.
That's right. We've gone for we didn't want to be the biggest screen here at the show.
No.
We did want to bring the biggest one that we had.
Yeah.
So we're just basically showing the video output here from the Ross Expression character generator.
Oh yes.
So it's a full 3D character generator. Supports 3D graphics in a 2D space, and it's also able to do full 3D broadcasting. So because these are actually proper 3D polygons, it's quite easy to manipulate a stereo left and right signal. Yeah, we like this product a lot. It's only recently been purchased by Impartia Television.
Okay.
So it's made its first entry into Australia, and we're pretty confident that a lot of other people are going to like what it does as well. So that's here as well on show. In the rack, we've got a couple of examples of bits and pieces. We've got the 17-inch TV Logic monitor. So that's just showing how nicely flush mounts into the rack. Leader test and measurement. We do their waveform monitors and vector scopes. We've got the flagship product from Pixelmetrics as well, their DV station, which has been around for a while and still going strong. The Open Gear platform from Ross Video is a rack frame for glue products. There's about 20 different manufacturers that contribute cards now for this frame, and they're boasting that they release a new card about every week at the moment for this frame. So a huge amount of different cards that you can actually buy and fit into those frames these days. At Pantac, we've got their multi-viewer here. This is the hardware. We've got the output on the screen over in the right-hand corner. Just doing the 16-way quad split, the 16-way split of the different tips and images that are going into it. And Broadcast Pix, we're showing their Granite switcher for the first time in Australia. This is their first foray into full HD production switching. So it's a two-box solution. We've got the PC and a breakout box. And yeah, we're looking forward to more good things from them. And the operational side of the Broadcast Pix is in this area, so we've got their basic control panel, the 1ME control panel, and the multi-view display up there as well. Last but not least, on the booth tour, we'll just move one of our other expert salespeople aside. And Mert Karma here from Cisco Systems has been showing everyone that wants to know about it the brand new product from Cisco, their D9036, which is also making a bit of a debut here in Australia. And I think we're boasting the densest encoding platform now available in the market. 8 standard definition video footage can be compressed in that 1AU chassis in either MPEG 2 or MPEG 4. And we've also got their multiplexer there, which is well established now in the market. So that sort of finishes it up. That's our booth tour for 2010 at ABE.